Greetings everyone and welcome to grammar class. Today we are going to start off with the first 3 lessons. Since you've already done before, we are just going to revise them. These lessons are nouns, pronouns and adjectives. I repeat, nouns, pronouns and adjectives. Noun le pronoun le adjective te hi ama a inlo zer to wangin tun tuma chuanin kan revise phot donani. So let's start off with nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word used to name people or person or animal, place, thing or an abstract idea. Noun kan ti chuan mihring hming soinan te, hmun hming soinan te, thil hming soinan te le ramsa hming soinan te a kan hman thin kha ni. So we have two types of nouns, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable kan ti chuanin kan chhiar thei ho. Uncountable kan ti chuanin kan chhiar sen lo. Example can be sugar. Chini hi chhiar tumta ula a chhiar thei reng lo ani atam em awangin. So that is an example of uncountable noun. Countable noun kan ti chuan kan chhiar thei ho entir nanin books, mobile phones, pens, pencils, etc. hawang kha. It's one in uncountable nouns a khan concrete le abstract nouns kan ti kha a om le ta a. So when we say concrete nouns, it basically means what we can feel and sense, but which cannot be counted. For example, dalte, ina chuan dalte kan lo ei ta a, khang kha kan e khan tui kan tia, kan lo taste ta a amai ro chu dal zat kha chiar har ni. Tea leaves mo thingpui fe, thingpui te kan in thina, ma selangin a thingpui fe zat kha amalte te khanina chiar theilo ni. And when we say abstract nouns, it describes an idea or any quality. For example, love, tite, friendship, dream, tite mo. It's one in music. For example, when we say music, rock music, te oma, rap music, te alo om ta a. It's one in Mizo traditional music mo khatyang te khakan neya. Khang te kha, it all comes under music. So these are called abstract nouns. Chuan concrete nouns kan ti kha kan nei le ta ni. Concrete nouns are what we can feel and sense. So we have 5 senses, right? Sense panga thil sha theina panga kan nei ta ni. For example, perfume no ni ta se perfume chu kan hnarin arim kan she thei we can smell. And another example is TV. Ina chuan TV te phone te po anyang chu we can see with our eyes. So those are called concrete nouns. Concrete noun example. So I repeat, perfume, TV te. Perfume too we can smell. TV, mobile phone, we can see it. And then we have collective nouns. Collective noun is a word which is used to describe a collection of things. Til khom kan shil fiana kan soi fiana khanitani. For example, a pile of books, a pride of lions, a pack of wolves, a bunch of grapes. Khatyang hau kha til soi khom nana kan mangkha collective nouns ani. For example, at one pile of books kan ti chuan I found a pile of books inside the storeroom. Storeroom kudam chhunga khanin lekhabulo omkhom ka hmu. Troop of dancers. Liana was among a troop of dancers. Liana kha lam hozinga khanin atelve ani. Tikhan noun chu in sha thiam to ringila. So we'll move on to the next topic, which is pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Noun thil ming kan shil fiadona kan man chin kha pronoun chu ani. For example, Emmanuel is 13 years old. Emmanuel is the youngest member of their family. Emmanuel is a good boy. Kha Emmanuel kha repeat lo khan soinon lo khanin. Emmanuel is 13 years old ti zo khanin he ti in kan tran mai don ani Emmanuel tia describe kher lo khan. For example, Emmanuel is 13 years old. He is the youngest member of their family and he is a very good boy. More. So there are 9 kinds of pronouns. Pronoun chu chikwa oma uluk takin in lawngai thadonia. The first one is personal pronoun. Mishring soina atana kan man. Entirnan I, we, you, he, she, it and they. These are examples of personal pronoun. Secondly, we have possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns su inge ni kan ti chuanin ma ni thil soina atana kan man. For example, mine, yours, theirs, its, hers, his. Sentence kan siam don chuanin this pen is hers, he pen hi anita ani apta ani mo. Possessive nouns are used to express possession or ownership or relationship. That's one in adota. It's one reciprocal pronouns kaneta. What are called reciprocal pronouns? Mizo trong swanin in sha ton dan in lai chin dan in to dan kan soi na ata na kan man kha reciprocal pronouns ani. It is used to express mutual relationships. For example, each other, one another. Let's not hate each other. More, let's keep in touch with one another. Kangka reciprocal pronouns to ani. We have demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns to thil ko na na kan soi kha thil point out na na kan soi entinan these, that, those, this khatiang hau kha demonstrative pronoun ani. Example at one, these are the students of class 7. More. Next we have reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns to engi ani kan ti chuan mishing ama vek soifia nana kan man entirnanin myself, himself, itself, herself kan ti te. Do your assignment by yourselves. Indefinite pronoun to ani na tia, ani chin tia kan soilan, ani chin tia kan soilan thailo hau ang kha. Indefinite pronouns ani which cannot be exactly said. Anyone can get COVID-19, so we must be careful. More. Each, tite, someone, nobody, several, much katyang hau kha indefinite pronouns satana kan man chinte chu. Ani interrogative kan ti chuan interrogate to ask mo zo na lampang tel kha. Interrogative pronouns ani, for example, who, whose, whom, which katyang hau kha interrogative pronouns ani. Example at one, what is your favorite sport? Enge favorite sport in fiam na hian enge ingay not bear. Who is your favorite teacher? Who ka interrogative pronoun. Next we have relative pronoun. Relative pronoun to who, whom, whose, which, that interrogative atana kan manchin hau thau kha kan mga amaro chu ta hi chuanin it is used to join words to make meaningful sentences. To soi tur ti chianan khanin relative pronouns to kan mangchin ani. The book that was on the table is lost. Mo ta khanin that ti kha relative pronoun ani. Emphasizing pronouns. Emphasizing pronouns kan ti chuan reflexive pronoun ang si ma se aaya soifia soitia zual na soitian zual na atana kan man kha. Those are called emphasizing pronouns. They have the same form as reflexive pronouns but are used for emphasis. So warnan kan mangchin. For example, Carmelo can fold his clothes by himself. Carmelo chuan ama in athom no te thlep thei. Another example could be Lom Zuali can iron her skirt herself. Lom Zuali chuan ama in apon fen anot thei to. Now that you have learned nouns and pronouns, I hope everything is clear. Now we'll move on to the last lesson, which is adjectives. Adjectives to enge kan ti chuanin noun le pronoun shilfia tu atana kan manchin kha adjectives to ani. So we have 6 kinds of adjectives, namely adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives. What is adjectives of quality? It describes nouns and pronouns by answering what kind engtinge ani asoifia ani. For example, kind. My mother is always kind to me. Swift. The new car is as swift as a cheetah. He car thar hi cheetah ang tlukin arang ani. We have adjectives of quantity. Quantity kan ti chuan thil tamlam le atlem lam kan asoi nana kan manchin ate nana kan manchin kha quantity chu animeya. So when we say adjectives of quantity, it tells how much atamlam le atlem lam aron soifia chinani. For example, little, some. Sprinkle some coconut powder on top of the cake. Enough. Launita say there is enough chicken fry for Christmas Eve. Please add a little salt in the soup. Let's move on to the third type of adjectives, which is adjectives of number. It tells how many, azat soifiana, quantity at one, how much more. Adjectives of number at one in how many ani zat ka soifia. For example, Lawrence bought 5 pencils. Elrin Pui is the first rank holder. First, second, third, fourth, tite, 5 6 7 8 number kan soi ho na kan sentence kan soi fia na number kan man thin te kha adjectives of number kan ti thin ani. Number 4, we have demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives answers which mizo tong chuanin enge chu ani enge kha ani soinana kan man ho khani. For example, this, that, these, those. Chuan, this is the best momo in town. Mo he momo hi aizol venga chuan atui berani kan ti chinangte. Those boys talk to each other in Japanese. Song mi panaw pang ho so Japanese in anin biazuk niya katyang ho kha demonstrative adjectives. Fifth, we have interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives is used with nouns and pronouns to ask questions. Interrogative lo chuana chu interrogate the word atang interrogate means to ask mo question lampang soina ani. For example, whose book is that? What superpower would you like? Number 6 one, we have possessive adjectives. It is used with nouns and pronouns to show possession. Thune ina kan ne na ta ni ina soilan nan ti khan kan mang chin kha. These are called possessive adjectives. For example, that's my favorite DC character. Mo DC fan khai lo ni theya or Marvel fan te poi lo ni theya, Disney fan te poi lo ni theya. It's one in I am looking after her garden. Mo her te, my te, your te khatyang kha. Those are examples of possessive adjectives. Some adjectives look very similar but they have different meanings. Adjective chen khatte chu an mel deu amairo chu omzia inang lo deu kha om thina. For example, a little dile little mangin kan lo en chinang. There is a little sugar left in the jar. Bura chuan chini tlema zong omani. A little means some amount but not much more. Azo duak lo tinani chu. Second sentence, there is little sugar left in the jar. Bura chuanin chinia mang to lo tina angan angluk ani. Little means almost none or lo angluk. The other example is few. Few people turned up at the function. Few means not many, almost none. Manglo mipui function akhanin mipuyan kal manglo. Second example, a few people did show up at the party. A few means not many but some. Party na chuan mi tlemazong kalan ome tina ang aniya. Other examples of confusing adjectives can be some and any. Some le any te, much and many, interesting and interested. So that is all for this video. Stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning. Inzavayin mang chavek ule.